Imagine an equation is a lockbox, and the answer, the value of x, is trapped inside. A simple equation might have one lock, but a two-step equation, that's a box with two different keys. To get to the treasure inside, you have to use your keys, your inverse operations, in the correct order. This isn't just a math trick. It's the kind of logical puzzle that scientists and engineers solve every day. So what's the secret sequence? It's all about unpacking the variable from the outside in. Think of your variable, the x or y, as the star of a show. The number attached to it, the coefficient, is its bodyguard, standing right next to it. And the number sitting by itself, the constant, is just a fan standing nearby. The golden rule is this: it's always easier to ask the fan to move away first before you try to get past the bodyguard. This means you always undo addition or subtraction first. Take the equation 2x plus 5 equals 13. The plus 5 is the fan. We ask it to move by subtracting 5 from both sides to keep things balanced. Now we have a simpler problem. 2x equals 8. Now we deal with the bodyguard, the 2 that's multiplying the x. We undo it by dividing both sides by 2. Suddenly, x is alone, and we find that x equals 4. This logic holds true every time. If you have 5n minus 10 equals 40, you deal with the minus 10 first by adding 10 to both sides. If you see a fraction like k over 2 minus 3 equals 7, you still deal with the minus 3 first. Move the constant, then isolate the variable. Even with brackets, like 4 times n minus 3 equals 20, it's usually safest to expand them first to get 4n minus 12 equals 20, turning it back into a familiar puzzle. The most powerful tool you have isn't speed, it's sequence. Move the fan, then deal with the bodyguard. And always plug your final answer back into the original equation to see if it holds true. Get the sequence right, and you can unlock any two-step problem you face.